Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Welcome to Pachi and today's amazing video. It's all about salads. We want to learn how to make our own salads, and we have everything you need in this video. We have an array of fruit, vegetable, nuts, seeds, avocado, olives, and other fats, and we have some amazing dressings. So here we go. We're going to divide our greens between our different plates. So we have some lettuces, we have some kale, we have some mustard greens, and we're going to use those three to create our salads. So we're going to add some of each to each plate. To one of the plates, we're not going to add greens, but we're going to add vegetables, cruciferous vegetables like the kale. And when you have a salad that contains cruciferous vegetables like kale and mustard greens and broccoli and cauliflower, those salads are going to help you lose weight if you eat carbs after them. Now, we have the other vegetables, the ones with lots of colors. We have tomatoes, bell peppers, green, yellow, and red bell peppers. Those I'm adding to the kale because the kale is a little strong and the peppers are sweet. So this is going to be amazing. We are going to add tomatillos also to a salad. And we're trying to make a mix of colors, even though we have one that's extremely green on the side. We're going to try to add some yellow bell peppers to it so that it becomes more colorful. Why? Not only to the eye, but each color has a different phytonutrient that's going to be fantastic for your health. Like the orange ones have vitamin A's, and the peppers, the bell peppers, are full of vitamin C's, the reds, and then we have all sorts of different colors giving different micronutrients to make us strong, healthy, and fit. Now we're going to add some other vegetables. Okay, so here we're adding other colored vegetables. We have cucumbers, and you can have the celery sticks, and you can have the celery cut into pieces. Same thing with the broccoli. You can have the broccoli cut in tiny pieces and put into the salad just like it is raw, no problem. Then we're going to add some of the fat ingredients to our salads. To one, we're going to add chia seeds. Chia seeds need to be eaten cold, and a lot of people don't know where to add them. They think they can only add them to smoothies or drinks. You can add them anywhere, and here's a great idea. To a salad, we add a tablespoon of chia seeds. We add olives. We also add avocados. We can also add coconut. We have tangerine. And last but not least, nuts that we added some cashews. Our fruit is going to give us some slow energy, and it's going to give us lots of phytonutrients too. We also have some dried papaya and apples, but these have been sun-dried and not sweetened. They are completely natural. They are delicious and amazing for your health. Then we're going to add some legumes. Legumes are great because they're going to help us, like cruciferous vegetables, to maintain a very good blood sugar. We're going to add garbanzos today. Usually you can add any kind of legumes. I added garbanzos because people generally have many vegetables in the fridge but one legume, and you can create many salads, all of these, with only one legume, and I used garbanzos. Now we are going to add our dressings. For one dressing we added balsamic vinegar, and to the other we added red wine vinegar. Then we added some olive oil to one and some sesame oil to the other. You can also use pistachio oil. You can use many different types of oils. Always buy oils that have been cold pressed, and do not put them next to the heat. Enjoy beautiful, colorful salads anytime. When you have a salad that contains cruciferous vegetables like kale and mustard greens and broccoli and cauliflower, those salads are going to help you lose weight if you eat carbs after them. tangerine. To the other two, we added already some Pachi dressings. Our 1-minute dressing that you're going to see in a minute, and our Chipotle dressing that you're going to love. Chef Pachi's double yogurt Chipotle sauce, an amazing sauce that is only 14 calories a tablespoon and has protein and it's low in carb. So all it has is Greek yogurt, plain yogurt, your favorite Dijon mustard, and ground chipotles. You can also use chipotle powder. This is it. Mix, enjoy an amazing chipotle sauce. Enjoy always amazing food that is also very healthy for you. Beautiful, colorful salads anytime. And you have a salad that contains cruciferous vegetables like kale and mustard greens and broccoli and cauliflower. Those salads are going to help you lose weight if you eat carbs after them. Legumes are great because they're going to help us, like cruciferous vegetables, to maintain a very good blood sugar. Here goes Pachi's 1-minute dressing. We mix our cup of yogurt, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of olive oil or your favorite oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Then enjoy the most amazing dressing. You can use it for many dishes. You can even use it as a base for sauces. Then you can also place it in a container and drizzle it easier over your whole salad. That way, every bite of your salad is going to be flavorful. Same thing with the oil and the vinegar. If you use a drizzling bottle like the one I have here, you're going to be able to drizzle oil onto all of your salad versus just a whole dollop if you add a teaspoon or a tablespoon to one place of the salad. Check this out, how I have my chipotle dressing all over the salad and my 1-minute dressing too. So every bite has delicious and amazing flavor. Now, remember with Chef Pachi, delicious food, sustainable mood. Enjoy great and delicious food, always be healthy, strong, and learn how to make a salad in minutes with whatever ingredients you have at home. You can do it. Use black beans, you can use pinto beans, you can use anything, lentils, whatever you want. Scroll down for the recipe. You can print it. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.